Meaning of fingernail.
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 Fingernail. A fingernail is a thin, horny, translucent plate found at the end of the fingers in most primates including humans. It is composed mainly of keratin, a tough and protective protein, and serves various functions, such as providing support and protection to the fingertip, enhancing sensitivity and sensation, and aiding in the manipulation of objects. Fingernails grow continuously throughout a person's life and their appearance can be indicative of overall health. Taking proper care of fingernails involves cleaning them regularly, avoiding excessive use of nail products, and maintaining a balanced diet.